Hey Nicholas, my name is Janice Miller, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. You might be asking why making this video for business owners. We already found a while ago that a lot of small business owners spending all their time taking care of their customers, and they really do not have time to learn how internet can benefit them and bring more customers. Sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone, they don't know who is an expert and who is not. I have found by giving people an easy free templates of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business still asking me, "Oh Janice, I would like you to take care of this for me." So if by the end of this video you like what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business with, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to use it by your own, by all means, that's okay. This is free education. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition is content, backlinks, and citations. So because you do not have a website, so I would like to explain about the website. You need at least 1500 words to 2000 words, and also depend on your competition too. Google like information, so your content need the right keywords which able to be searched in Google when people looking for your service at your area. And I'm using this keyword to search, which is plumbing in Baltimore, Maryland. This is the Google guarantee, and this is the Google Map Pack that we call it as a citation. A citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. Citations help you rank in this map pack here, which is extremely important for local business since this can generate huge amounts of revenue, especially when you're on top 1 here. You receive a lot of calls coming in. Citations include directories like Yelp, NG, Expertise, BBB, and hundreds of others that you may have heard of. Social media accounts are great too. The idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. The larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. Once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is to rank you above them. So the next thing I would like to talk about is organic listing. So you have to be on top 3 here. But of course do not include the directories of the website. So your top 1 competitors, it will be this sapphireplumbing.com. So I'm using this program named RF here. This is the competition of their website of a simple analytic. As you see, UR is the power of the site in Google. DR is the trust of the site in Google. So both of these numbers here have to be at least in between 30 to 40. It will be considered as a strong site. As for the backlinks, they have 26,500 and their referring domains is 225. So a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. This link acts like endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. It's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most wins people pointing at them. However, not all links are created equal, so it's worth nothing relevant to your industry and local website will work best. As for their keywords, they have 719 and their monthly traffic for their website is 498. So this is where you miss out a lot of clients from here. So you can go to your competition by going to their referring domains here, copy all their backlinks here by choosing the high DR, which is 31, 34, 77, because some are spammy and some are more authoritative. You need to go after more relative backlinks which give you more authoritative that will send power to your site. As for the keywords, have to put in the right keywords too. So you need to choose the right keywords because these are the potential clients that are looking for the service that need it and also the area which is around them. Just like plumber Baltimore, Maryland, this is a 300 search per month just for these keywords only. Baltimore plumber, 200 search per month. Plumbers Baltimore, 400 search per month. So just these 3 keywords, you already miss out 900 search per month just for these keywords. So there are more keywords that might you be missing out thousands of the keywords. So this is the position of the keywords. So once your content, backlinks, and citations come together and you start to outgrow your competitors, here's what you might be looking at and why this is so worth it. So these are a few important things that you need to do on your website to increase more traffic and get more business in. Please do leave me some feedback on this video. If you have any question, you may reach out back to me. Thank you. Have a great day.